Good morning. My name is Sunita, working as English and Life Skills Trainer. Today, I would like to tell about values in professions. As we know that we have many professions in the society, so that based on their attitude, taste, requirement, education qualification, choose their professions. Like I have chosen teaching. Why? Because I like to train others and give some moral values and give some suggestions and knowledge to establish their own path to reach out their goal. So by this process I will get some self satisfaction and happiness. There is an old saying, work is worship, big or small. Do it well and that is all. Your work values are the subset of your beliefs and ideas that are related to your occupation or job. These core principles are an important part of who you are, like honesty, service, self respect, respect for others, peace, and success. Therefore, you must identify what work values you keep the most before you choose a career. Examples and definitions of work values. We have different values in different professions based on the job. At the same time, we have some common values in most of the professions, like achievement, doing work that provides results. Achievement is nothing but something you got after planning and working to make it happen, which gives you a feeling of satisfaction. Independence, working and making decisions on your own. Independence means not having to depend on anyone or anything else. If you have that value, you will be strong and able to survive alone. Helping others, providing assistance to individuals or groups. Helping others is not only good thing, it also makes us happier and healthier too. Creativity, using your own ideas. Creativity is the act of turning new and imaginative ideas into reality. If you have creativity, you can create many ideas and things. Utilizing your skills and background, using your education and work experience to do your job. Everyone having their own skills. If you try to implement those skills in our work, we can get best result. Influence, having the ability to affect people's opinions and ideas. Helping society, contributing to the betterment of the world. We are part of the society, so that we need to contribute something to develop the society. Collaboration, working with others. Collaboration means to work with another person or group in order to achieve or do something. These values are essential to grow up in our professions.